Hi everyone, my name is Kelly Swanson and I have an associate's degree in human services and a bachelor's degree in behavioral sciences. So I have learned research throughout my whole educational career. Um, in my associate's degree program, my last class, we had to write a grant and a proposal for something that we thought was important for the school to include, or something that could help people receiving services. So I wrote a grant and researched mental health services on community college campuses, which actually I learned that there was probably a really big need for that just because um, of all when people are going to community college, they're all going through so much more outside of school, and that's why they chose community college. And in my bachelor's degree, we had a few research classes. Specifically, we learned how to do qualitative and quantitative research, especially when we took statistics. We had psychological tests type of class, so we had to learn all those different types of research through my bachelor's degree, and then we wrote papers as well. What would make researching learning fun for me would be to have topics that are really interesting, and topics that I could really see myself actually doing in the field. And after viewing the syllabus, I actually really like almost all of the topics that are provided for us, with the outpatient treatments, the inpatient treatments, foster care. I think I'm going to have a hard time picking between the three of those. So that is also something that excites me about this class, is that there are topics that are interesting and that probably most of us are experiencing working in the real world right now. So I wish everybody good luck this semester and talk to you all later.